Hi, today I will demonstrate how easy it is for a new school to get started with SchoolFix, and the entire process takes just a few minutes with 3 simple steps. From our landing page, you are able to see we support a CBO or CBC model, which is the current model. So it's a fully compliant in CBC model. And also you're able to see the features that we offer, that is modules. We have like student management, academic management, finance, staff, communication. This involves SMS and email notifications, and also reports and analytics. So in this analysis, we have also incorporated AI in several analysis. For example, if you are a junior school, you're able to use AI to be able to determine or do what you call a pathway for a student who is at junior school aiming to go to senior school. This involves a brief questionnaire and also the current status in terms of performance. And this feature is available for the students from grade 6. So yes, you can be able to see the sample reports. You can be able to come back and view later. So from the page, you can see we also have plans which we offer. The system is subscription based, which is a basic plan and premium plan. We have a trial of 14 days, 3. Then now we have plans, and we offer various plans, basic and premium. But for testing purposes, we have a trial period plan which you can onboard your school and do a couple of testing. So you can start by start free trial, or from the button at the top, or anywhere you can see that button. So I can start by clicking there. So we see a form which requires you to fill the form requires you to fill school information and also the account administrator. The school information includes your name. We can start by ABC as a school name, and then the subdomain, which will be used to create your unique URL, ABC. It will ask you it will check if the subdomain is available. And then now we come to a school type. You can choose if you are a junior school or senior school or both levels. Your school supports both levels. We can check senior school. And once you check on senior school, a panel opens below which asks you to select pathway which you are offering. If you are offering one pathway or all of the pathways that are available, you can check all of them. Then also another crucial place is the administrator account, and also the email. Remember, this email should be valid email, such that once you log in, you set up an account, you're able to receive emails and credentials in your email. So ensure the email is valid and a valid email. So let me use I'll use this email. Thereafter, you can confirm if you are receiving the notification. And then the phone number, you can use any phone number as a field. The password, key in the password, you confirm the password. Always remember that. And also the county, I can use that county. So once you submit this form, if you click register school, once you submit this form, the system immediately begins to provision a database which is dedicated to your school or to your subdomain that you created. So I will click register. I did not like the password. So few things have happened. Already I've been redirected to my subdomain of this school that I've registered. I can click advance, proceed, just for security purpose, and this is because of an SSL certificate which we can issue later once you have registered. So you're able to log in from this window, but at the moment if you haven't received any email, a welcoming email, you are not able to log in. So in the background the setup is being done slowly until you receive a welcome email, so which automatically informs you that this process has been completed, which usually take 2 to 3 minutes. So I will quickly jump to my email and see if I've received an email. That you can see there, I have 2 emails. The first email which I already opened is the invoice email, which has an ABC school, just 2 minutes ago, as I mentioned earlier. The invoice plan is the plan that you choose. Then now the important email is the welcome email, which tells you your management system is ready. It gives you your unique URL and also the credentials that you use to create this account. So therefore it means you're able to log into the system. So I'll go back to the system and then log in. In the first time login or the first time attempt, once you create this account, you will be redirected to this payment form, which requires you to change the plan if at all you don't want to do a trial plan. At this point we can continue with our free trial. So therefore we will be directed to the dashboard, as you can see. So this is how the dashboard looks. We have some of the statistics which with time you'll be able to see, giving a better impression in terms of the activities happening in the school. So we have students, teachers, administrator. By default you become the tenant once the person who registered the account for the school. So you can see the first thing, we have academic module, SMS, students management, staff, boarding, also finance. You can quickly have a glance on finance. And from this now dashboard you can start doing various setups. For example, we have classes. By automatically we ship in default data for classes, especially if you chose grade that is senior school. We have grade 10, 11 and 12. You also have subjects. Those are the subjects we already shipped and also clustered them in groups. Yeah, so from there you're able to finish all the setups and start doing student admission, staff and the rest. So thank you.